What's up, guys? We are going to be doing a giveaway this week. Sorry, it won't be the Razor or the Can-Am, but it will be some cleaning products. So, Super Clean contacted me. It's a company that makes degreaser and cleaner and all kind of little things to keep your rides clean. I use it a lot and it works really well. But they contacted me and said, hey, you want to do a giveaway? And I said, well, yeah, let's do it. So we're going to be giving away a bottle of Super Clean degreaser and then an aerosol can of Super Clean degreaser. And all you have to basically do is subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment done. And that's all you got to do to be entered in to win. So if 10 people comment or 20 people comment, it'll be all between them, and I'll pick the winner next week. I'll just randomly choose somebody. Won't take any favoritism. But yeah, guys, this stuff works really good. I actually cleaned this Razor with it not too long ago after we got back from the mud park, and I never laid a hand on it to wipe it down or anything. I just cleaned it with that, sprayed it on there, let it soak in for a minute, and then sprayed off with a pressure washer, and it's cleaner than it would ever be just spraying it off, you know. So, but yeah, it works pretty well. So definitely feel free to tag other people, tell them about it, tell them to come to my channel and enter this giveaway. I really think you'll like this stuff. It makes cleaning these things a breeze. I know if y'all mud ride, y'all know how aggravating it is and how long you sit out here just cleaning and cleaning and cleaning, and this makes the process just that much faster. So y'all be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment done. And also look us up on Facebook, because we'll be doing some of our own giveaways soon, so y'all don't want to miss out on that. You can find us on there as LC Power Sports. You just type it in on Facebook and it should show up. Y'all see my profile picture, and follow that page too if y'all don't mind. So I think this is probably as simple as it gets on giveaways. No buying a chance to win something, no gimmicks, just all you gotta do is subscribe, comment done, like the video, you'll be entered. So the way it'll work is if I pick you next week, all you'll do is send me your address, and then I'll forward it straight to them, and then they will directly send you your products. You can get to cleaning your stuff up. So that's it on that. Y'all be sure to do all them things and get entered to win. We will see y'all guys on the next video. Peace out.